Wagwan people, this is Jania from Jamaican Ting.
Psst. Baby love, come here now. Come give me a talk now.
But I climb a macachi naked for you now. Trust me.
You never hear them? You never hear them? Listen. You see, if you have occasion to come across a Jamaican man, whether you live in Jamaica or you visit Jamaica, or maybe them happen to live somewhere amongst which part you are living now, wherever in the world that may be, you may have heard something like this.
Hello, baby love. Healthy body. Browning. Come here now, baby. Princess. Yo, Empress. Blessed love. Look good enough. Nah, tell no lie. Good as sweetness. Champion. Strong body. My size. Come here now. Wagwan, baby. Yeah, baby.
Watch your man. In a Jamaica, you see the man them? Oh my God. Them know how to kill woman with lyrics.
If you cut yourself, it need L-O-V-E. Why, baby, your skin clean? Come in like something out of a dream. Yo, your body thick, you know? Like it. Chano, baby. What I do with you, you know? My girl, you not tired? Can you run through my mind all day? Baby, how your teeth white and pretty so? Are you near me school gate? Smile, baby. If you make up your face so, how chubby?
And trust me, them have a special way to make you feel like you are the hungry woman in the world for them. Trust me.
A long time I look here, you know. Check for you, you know. Yo, baby. Why you can't walk so fast? Let me walk beside you, know.
Then, you know, no matter what age some of these men have, you know, them have to put in a word.
Photos? Never hurt, angel. Heaven must be missing a angel. Sugar plum is all you want, sweet so darling.
Mind your heart, daddy, mind your heart. Then me say some of them brazen to you, see?
Baby, can't talk to you. Me have a man. After not in me alone.
Yes, and unfortunately, some of what these men have to tell you can be quite distasteful. So them try to dress it up so it fit for airplay.
Baby, make it right after you ready, you know? Baby, would I take a struggle off of that structure there, you know? Trust me, girl, you have the proper hook. And you name this cuckoo bit? Baby, oh, you want fat stuff? A buff beer come from? My girl, think turn up.
One of the things with the man them too, them boost up themselves or their friend boost them up. And when you don't answer them back, when them are called to you, this is what ensues.
Hey, reptile face, girl. You know, hear me a call to you. You think me I beg you nothing?
Some women definitely don't like this behavior at all. Some women are wired such that if them dress to post back foot and go road and not even one dege man call to them feel so bad like nothing now go on for them. Some of them actually, under the quiet, use it as a kind of look good meter.
Sexless, buffaloes. Yo, baby, slim as.
God forbid you did think you're slim and in ball.
Fluffy diva.
So those were just some of the many different pickup lines that some Jamaican use. So tell me now, love it or hate it? What are some of the craziest things you have ever heard?